In this time, the most precious substance in the universe is the spice melange. The spice extends life. The spice expands consciousness. Expands consciousness. Expands consciousness. The most precious substance in the universe is the spice melange. The spice extends life. The spice expands consciousness.
Good. But hurry with it, please, because these models are giving me a headache.
10 minutes!
Comes to us from Japan and Mr. Masuro Emoto. Mr. Emoto became terribly interested in the molecular structure of water and what affects it. Now, water is the most receptive of the 4 elements. Mr. Emoto thought perhaps it would respond to non-physical events. So he set up a series of studies, applied mental stimuli, and photographed it with a dark field microscope. This first picture is a picture of water from the Fujiwara Dam. And this picture is the same water after receiving a blessing from a Zen Buddhist monk. Now, in this next series of pictures, Mr. Emoto printed out words, taped them to bottles of distilled water, and let them out overnight. This first photograph is a picture of the pure distilled water, just the essence of itself. These subsequent photographs, as you can see, are each different. This is the chi of love. And we move along here to thank you. And you can see where he taped that to this bottle here. But if you read Japanese, you already knew that. Now, Mr. Emoto speaks of the thought or intent being the driving force in all of this. The science of how that actually affects the molecules is unknown, except to the water molecules, of course. And it's really fascinating when you keep in mind that 90% of our bodies are water.
Makes you wonder, doesn't it? If thoughts can do that to water, imagine what our thoughts can do to us. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? If thoughts can do that to water, imagine what our thoughts can do to us.
Your mind. It is the center of your life. It is everything you hear, everything you see, everything you feel. It is everything you are.
This is crystallized water before it is exposed to music. Watch what happens when we play Mozart. Water is exposed to music. Its expressive side shines through, forming and transforming crystals as it follows the music. It is as if these water crystals were a reflection of our own emotions.
And seldom awakens. The sleeper must awaken.